Welcome back to the Ameripino channel, where over the weekend I flew the Mantis Q in high winds, trying to get some nice foliage video and snapshots. Let's put it this way, the wind was really whipping the drone around.
The wind was really whipping the drone around.
I ended up having to fly it in sport mode so that I could overpower the wind. The problem was, with that much power, the turns were really quick, so you'll see in the video. And I'm going to try to actually slow them down so it's not as bad. So I hope you enjoy, and thanks for watching.